Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a little video on how you can layer your wigs and how you can kind of get them to be a bit more full, because sometimes like when you buy wigs with a lower density, or you buy a wig that isn't consisting of like 3 bundles and a frontal, sometimes it can feel a bit thinner. So I just did like a quick tutorial on how you can get your wigs to look a lot more full and a lot more body or whatever. And I just did a quick kind of tutorial on how you can get these voluminous curls. So when I curl my hair, I try and go the same way for a lot of like the curls in my head, but then when it gets to the front, sometimes you might have to kind of frame your face and curl the hairs in different ways, just to frame your face or frame the look that you're going for. It always depends. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I burnt myself. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This hair is from BFF. This wig is really nice. It is a 22-inch wig, so the hair is nice, like it holds the curl very well. It looks very great straight as well. I'll insert some clips of the hair before I layer it and curl it so you can see it straight. It's really nice and flowy and very bouncy. The lace, it was like a medium brown lace, but it was slightly dark for my complexion, so I had to kind of lighten it with a little bit of powder, not too much. The lace was very thin, but it's not very but it wasn't very, it's very stiff lace. So that was one thing that I noticed about the wig. When I initially got it, it did snag a little bit, but then when I co-washed it and everything like that, and now I've got it curled, it's completely fine. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys was able to follow along. Once again, this hair is from Ali BFF. So they sell wigs and they sell bundles as well. If you find it easier to just buy a pre-made wig, the wigs are definitely really good. They have like a little flap at the back, so say if you wanted to have this up, you could kind of pull some little hairs out and then like have it up. It's really cute. It is a frontal wig and it's 22 inches, so yeah, I really like it. If you do get like a wig and the density isn't like perfect for you or what you expected, layers will definitely add a bit of volume to it, and just add some little curls. Like even if you have your hair straight, just kind of curl the end of the hair, just add a little body to it, you know. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.